The upcoming Honor X80 Pro Max will not only have the brand's biggest battery so far at 11,000 mAh, but according to a new rumor from digital chat station on Weibo, this device is also likely to break the peak brightness record. It will be advertised to have 10,000 nit peak brightness, which is on another level, with 90W fast charging. 6.79-inch AMOLED screen offers a crisp 1.5K resolution with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate and 3,840Hz high-frequency PWM dimming to protect eyes from strain. Features a right-angle frame with super slim bezels. Snapdragon 6 Gen 5 chipset, positioned as the first smartphone to carry Qualcomm's newest 4nm mid-range platform. With 8GB or 12GB of RAM paired with up to 512GB of internal storage. Housed in a prominent, centralized circular camera island. It features a 50MP f/1.9 aperture rear camera. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.